up a cleanup campaign operation. We're going door to door, each building. We found this building which is non-compliant. The building is unsafe, and we have spoken to the landlord to make the building safe. People must be evacuated for them to comply with all the building regulations.
The zoning of the property does allow for industrial building. It doesn't allow for excessive industrial, like in other words, heavy industrial use, which will cause smoke, dust, or fumes or anything of that sort. But what we found here today is completely unacceptable. Therefore, we'll need to actually investigate and actually request that this building be shut down until they are able to comply.